Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to withdraw in Arena Plus GCash. So let's start. First, well, you have to log in that account on your Arena Plus, log in and register. Remember, this is from Philippines, you have to register first, and when you do it, you can start using it. Okay, so that's how you can start using that one. And also you have to have an account on GCash. This is a bank from Philippines, so when you register there, you can connect your account from Arena to GCash. Okay, so connect both accounts, and now when you start withdraw the money, you can using that one Arena Plus without any problem, and then start withdraw the money on your GCash account. So only you have to connect it, and that's how you can do it, guys. When you connect your wallet, you can start using both of them in the same site. So I hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumb up to this video.